Hi guys, thank you so much for being here and welcome to my channel. And today I'm so happy to share with you a review of a vacuum machine cleaner that I've been using for a while, and I find this very recommendable. This machine uses water and air to clean the surfaces and trap dust and dirt. The machine is called a Rainbow SRX model. This machine comes with a variety of accessories as in the picture. I've just named a few here, but you can see all the attachments in the picture. Let me give you a preview of how powerful the motor of the suction system of this machine sounds like. How it works: you need clean water from the tap, or you put it in this reservoir, fit it back in its place, then go on cleaning, and once you are done, you simply empty the water reservoir of your machine and you are good to go. It has some good cleaning abilities, and it comes with advanced dirt separator. It traps all the debris, the pet hair, the dust under this containment, and no dirt escapes really. The only thing that escapes from this machine is the air. Okay, I know probably you're wondering how much this machine cost. It's not cheap, but it's affordable in the long run, because this machine, you are guaranteed of it lasting between 10 and 25 years. On another note, I've made another video of a caloric HEPA filtration vacuum machine, and I'll be sharing the link on this video. If you click on it, you can compare the two. The caloric one is cheaper, it's very affordable, it's lighter, but I don't think the lifespan you can compare to this one and the suction power. But all the same, if it's small scale and it's just domestic indoors in your own house, yes, you can use the caloric. But if you're thinking in the long run, I'll recommend you go for this Rainbow. Okay, I'll go ahead and fix the parts of this machine and fix this to the power, and then I'll start cleaning my carpet. It's full of dust and pet hair. So now you can see how this machine works and its capabilities. Hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Now see how clean my carpets look like. All the pet hair that was all over the carpet, all the dust is trapped up in the water reservoir of the machine. All is looking clean and fresh. And remember, there is something I didn't tell you. This machine doubles up as an air purifier. The contaminants inside the bowl, you end up with a clean environment and fresh smelling room. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see your like and some love in the comments. Please remember to subscribe, and you can share this with your friends. Thank you.